The last phase related to the cloud security is to respond to cloud security issues. So once we'll get different issues related to the cloud, so we should able to respond it in a proper way. So as your cloud services are being accessed and used, there will be incidents requiring either automated or guided response on a regular basis. Just like any other IT environment, follow these best practice to being your cloud security incidents response practice. So these are the different steps that will follow if we find out any sort of risks. So the first step is required additional verification for high risk access scenario. If a user is accessing sensitive data in the cloud services from a new device, for example, automatically require two-factor authentication to provide their identity. So whenever we got some sort of alarm, like if a user is not registered its device but want to access those sensitive data, so we can apply different factor of authentication to it so that we can authenticate that user who want to use the sensitive data by unregistered system or unregistered devices. Adjust cloud access policies as new service come up. So we can access the cloud access policies whenever there is a new scenario that will be introduced into the system, where we feel like there is a loophole or we feel like there is a risk to the cloud, so we can adjust our cloud access policies. Remove malware from the cloud service. So whenever we detect any sort of malware, we should remove it through different anti-theft softwares, right, that we can use. So these are the steps that will follow if we have some sort of issues into the cloud. So in summary, we can say that as cloud services evolve, so do the challenges and threats you face by using them. Always stay on top of cloud provider features, updates that involve security, so you can adjust your policies accordingly. Security providers will adjust their threat intelligence and machine learning model to keep up as well. In the phases and best practices above, several key technology can be used to accomplish each steps, often working in conjunction with the native security features from cloud providers. So in summary, we can say that we have learned that how we can find out or how we can get to understand the cloud usage and its risk. Then what are the different ways by which we can do the protection of the cloud, and how we can respond to any type of cloud security issues.